Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable desktop site on Safari browser in iPhone in iOS 16. Let's start the video. Open the Safari browser on your iOS device. Then click on this font at the bottom left corner of the page. Now a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Click on Request Desktop Site. So after doing this, your Safari browser will switch from mobile to desktop site. If you want to disable it, then click on again this icon and click on Request Mobile Website.